Hello po mga KaTsinita! Today's video, we are going on a tour of this Calamansi farm. Ito po ang farm ng aking lola, nanay Leonisa at lolo, tatay Sili. It is located in Nueva Ecija. Over on the left, you can see the calamansi trees. Aside from calamansi, other vegetables are grown here too. This is also the view from the top of our farmhouse that we are building. Here you will see Tito Aris preparing to plant the young calamansi trees. He is marking where the trees will be placed. Usually, they are 2 to 3 meters apart. This is another point of view of the rows that have been prepared to plant the calamansi trees. Ito po ang aking papa, naghuhukay ng soil kung saan ipa-place yung calamansi tree. So he is removing the plastic from this calamansi tree at ipapasok yung calamansi tree inside the hole. Nutulungan po ni Mama Betty at ini-ensure po nila na baon po yung tree sa lupa. So ayan po, gagawin na naman po niya ulit hanggang sa pinakahuling calamansi tree. This day alone, they planted 280 calamansi trees. So madami pong balakang sumakit that day. Ayan po, talaga pong iniingatan po ang pagbabaon ng Christmas tree tuloy, calamansi tree. Ayan po si Mama Betty, tumulong na rin po sa paghuhukay ng soil. Farming takes time, effort, and care. Filipino farmers do this every day, rain or shine. Most farms in the Philippines are run by families, just like this one. Farming is one of the oldest livelihoods in this country, but it's also one of the most challenging. So after a year, pwede na po magpitas ng calamansi. So these are freshly harvested. Calamansi is usually picked while it's green and firm. Dito po nila isinusort yung mga calamansi at pinipitas po yung mga dahon. Minsan, may nakukuha po silang calamansi na kulay orange or kulay yellow. Yun po ang ripe counterpart ng green calamansi. At usually, yun po ang less maasim. Po ang ginu-juice, ginagawang juice. For viewers that don't know what calamansi is a small citrus fruit. It looks like a tiny lime. It has a sharp, tangy flavor. In the Philippines, they use it for cooking, dipping sauces, drinks, and even cleaning. So the calamansis are placed in a red sack where they'll be transporting these sacks to the palengke where they'll sell the calamansis.